You can just come to like your browser, you search for Figma. You understand, right? It's a design tool. So if you come here, you see this first one, they ask you to download. This is the desktop app. You can skip this one and come down to the collaborative interface design tool. You can just log in there. Yeah. So if you don't have an account, you have to create one. But I already have one, so I can just log in. Alright, so once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to this home page. Now here, these are your recent designs. So you can just click on this design button up here. It's going to create a new design file for you. Right, so the page is going to appear like this. Understand, right? So now the first thing to do is to set up your frame. Now to set up that frame, you can just press F, or you come and click on this button down here. Once you click on this frame button, it's going to appear like this. Maybe appears like this. You can click on this paper. You're going to see different kinds of papers. You can choose A4, since as you want your CV to lie on an A4 paper. Alright, so this is an A4 paper. It's very important you choose it because during print, if you don't choose the right paper, it's not going to be clear. So once you have it like this, understand, right? You need to like set up maybe boundaries within your design paper so that your design is properly aligned. And the best thing that I would advise you to use is a grid. So you can choose a grid by coming down here to layout. Understand, right? So once you click on layout, you're going to see grid. I've seen that the paper is changed like to mathematics frame, but since I see CV, I wanted to design in two columns. Understand, right? So you click on this grid, you select columns, you select columns, so it's going to appear like this. But I want that if you have just two columns, since on CV has just two columns, we have two columns, and then we want that when you're designing, your design should not be at the edges of your paper. So you can set the margin, just set like to 40 pixels. So when set like that, then your paper is ready. You understand, right? Then since as your CV, you can want to like include an image in it. So what you can do is that you can just come here to this shapes, take a circle or an ellipse. You can form like a placeholder for the image. You understand, right? And you set the placeholder for the image. If you want to include an image, you can just click on it and then you come back to the same um, um, shape tools. And you can take image and then select any image from your computer and then you place it inside. So that's an image there. You understand, right? You can realign it so that it can fit properly. Make sure that it doesn't exceed these boundaries of your grid. That it should be within the grid, so it should be within this particular column. And then you want to input text, and just click on this text tool down here, and you put in the text. Maybe you can say like that. Okay, so once you have input the text, you might want to like resize it. So you can click highlight the text and come to this toolbar here. You can change the font style here. Maybe you want to medium, yeah, and then you can change the font style to maybe to any style, and then you can change the font size. Since I can take 32 like that for the information. You might want to add another text here. You can do the same thing. Let's just say countdown, something like that. You understand, right? So we can resize it. Let's be around maybe 20. Then now what you can do is that you can group like sections of your design. So you can highlight on this section like that. You take Control G, or you right click and take group, take Control G. That's already grouped. So you can copy this group, Control C, Control V, and you paste it in another section of your design so that you don't need to redesign again. You understand, right? You can do the same thing like that. Instead of like designing from scratch again, just copy your design and paste another section like that. As easy as that. You understand, right? So you have your design in one section already. Then now you might want to change the background. So what you do is that you can come back to this shape tool. You want to change the background of this particular column. Maybe you put a shape within this particular column like that, like a rectangle within this particular column. And then you right click on it, take send to back, so go to your background. Where is it? Send to back. Goes behind all the other elements. You can change the color here. Let's take maybe some kind of light color like that. Yeah. So let's say one section of our paper to be like this. Then that's it. That's our design. So what you might want to do now is that since you're finished designing, now you need to remove the grid. So you can select back your frame by right clicking on it, and then you come here to layout guide, and you can click this eye. So your design is done. So once it's done like that, you can rename it here, maybe call it CV, and then you just export the design. Export it. So export as a PNG file. Yes. So once you export it, your design is done. That's all. Boom. That's your CV. All right. That's all.